Let me ask you something straight up. If you could get a vehicle that's genuinely fun to drive, packed with technology, looks sharp in any parking lot, and doesn't demand a six-figure budget, would you be interested? Because that's basically the pitch behind the 2026 BMW X3 xDrive. And today on Car Review CR, we're going to find out if this compact SUV is actually as good as everyone keeps saying it is. Starting at $50,900, the X3 xDrive comes equipped with a 14.9-inch touchscreen, 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, wireless device charging, a 12-speaker audio system, synthetic leather upholstery, power-adjustable heated front seats, dual-zone automatic climate control, keyless entry, push-button start, ambient interior lighting, a power lift gate, and 19-inch wheels. Atlanta BMW? Read that list again. That's the base trim. BMW didn't hold anything back here. Under the hood sits a 2.0-liter inline four-cylinder BMW twin-power turbo engine with 48-volt mild hybrid technology producing 255 horsepower, paired with BMW's xDrive intelligent all-wheel drive system. Enterprise BMW estimates the 30 xDrive accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6 seconds, and the EPA rates it at 27 miles per gallon city and 33 miles per gallon highway. Atlanta BMW. Numbers that genuinely beat most of the competition in this segment. One expert reviewer noted that even personally favoring sportier vehicles, they found the 30 xDrive potent and more engaging than other SUVs in this class, with throttle response so immediate that even merging onto a flowing highway never required flooring the gas pedal. Atlanta BMW. When properly equipped, the X3 xDrive can tow up to 4,001 pounds, Enterprise BMW style, which makes it genuinely useful for American families who need occasional trailer capability without buying a full-size truck. The cargo area expands to 67.1 cubic feet with the rear seats folded, BMW of Champagne, which is seriously competitive for this class. Enjoyable to drive, easy on gas, and practical for everyday life. The 2026 BMW X3 is a well-rounded small luxury SUV that is more technologically advanced than many competitors and has an appealing base price that makes it seem like a bargain. United BMW. For American buyers who want real luxury, real driving feel, and real practicality in one package, under $55,000, the X3 xDrive is genuinely hard to argue against. That's a wrap on today's review here on Car Review CR. Drop a comment. Are you going base 30 xDrive or stretching to the M50? Subscribe and catch you in the next one.